Hello guys, hai lam so norokno ani YouTube channel lo. Ke tini bo hai no bagiti fika. Kokborok English sentence translation. Hingko fadi tini tam kokhai tong kaisa keseng nai nelenu. Hingke sin tini pula kokhai hingka. Ko kaisa no nwng ano koybar swng. Abno swng English besanai. How often do you ask me the same word? Hai angkeba. How many times do you ask me the same word? Hingka abon pura next hingka. Kaisa kam no nwng koybar khaina muchu. Abno swing English besanai. How often do you like to do the same work? Hai keba. How many times do you like to do the same work? Abon protect kaisangka. Video kaisano nung koybar nai. Abno swing English besanai. How often do you watch the same video? Hai keba. How many times do you watch the same video? Abon protect kaisangka. Nung aro koybar thana muchung. Abno swing English besanai. How often do you want to go there? Hai keba. How many times do you want to go there? Abon pura next ka. Bo koybar thangka. Abon swing English besanai. How often he went? Hai keba. How many times he went? Abon pura next ka. Nung bo bai koybar kok saka. Abon swing English besanai. How often do you speak with him? Hai keba. How many times do you speak with him? Hingke tinin jote asuk no. Video nato sakon keba like khai di comments khai di hingke sino channel no subscribe khana bagai tapok di bele kana hambai khwlwm ka.